So today I'm in my office. This is where I do all my projects. This is where I make my products, where I do my DIY projects, my sewing, blah 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 blah. You know, homegirl does everything. Boring, I know. So I feel like it's not giving me, you know, the creative feel anymore. The oohs and the ahs and the So I feel like I need to refresh this room. It needs to get some life. It needs to get some va-va-voom. And ding ding, what do you know? DIY project loading. So I am going to be doing a DIY project. I want to update my wall, like it's boring. Hey you guys, welcome back. So the last time I was talking to you guys, I said I was going to do a little mini DIY for my office, you know, just to refresh it and give it a new life. And as you can see behind me, we have a new office. I'm very happy about it. I actually feel more inspired to do something now. You know, I've been working almost every day. And I didn't say every day, I said almost every day. So as you guys know, I got a voucher to go and pick up some few paints from builders, and I picked up those chalk paints and came back and tidied up everything and started mixing the paints, started cleaning the walls, and I got to painting.